Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now, is Bitcoin set for the next move? All right. Now, we can see everything clearly from the chart that we are biased for the upside, and I know that the next move is coming very soon. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe, and as we show you what Bitcoin will be doing in the next few days from now. All right. Now, we know, and we've been talking about this move of the corrective structure of Bitcoin that we see three waves down. All right, so two things that we are expecting so far, that, well, if this is the end of the correction, then we might see a breakout of this. All right, but now with the next move of the market will be an upside. All right, so two things that we are expecting from here is either a very sharp impulse upside, which might break this 53,000, even can break the all-time high, or a sluggish move to this point. All right, so depends on the move of the Bitcoin will determine the next phase of it. So but what I think that will be happening, irrespective of which one, or whether sharp or sluggish, that will be a spike upside. Okay, and if you're you understand margin trading, you can make a ton of money trading this wave, guys. Like, you take a look of it from here to here, 12%. All right, you make a lot of money if you are trading with margin. Okay, all right. So if you want to trade with margin on this, you can use Bybit, or you can use Binance, or whichever one that is comfortable for you. All right, you can use any of them. If you want to sign up on Binance, you can use the link below, or Bybit. All right, so whichever one. I think this move is coming, guys, and I believe it's coming in the next few hours from now. Maybe by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, you will see this spike has already come. Well, the worst case scenario might see another pullback. All right, worst case scenario might see another pullback before the wave comes up. So these are the things, but definitely this wave is coming, guys. This spike is coming. So the worst case scenario, we might see a three wave here, pull back here, then before the next spike comes. But whichever one, just get set, guys, because this spike is coming. So if you are taking this trade, let me tell you how you can take this trade profitably, irrespective of what the market does. Okay, so first of all, you need to know the leverage you are using. Okay, know how the leverage you're using, because using the leverage to trade is a risky business, and because of liquidation and all stuff like that. So because the safest place to place your stop loss here is here. Okay, the safest place to place your stop loss will be here, guys, will be here. So, and because we don't know whether it's moving from here or it's going to come down to move from here, so the safest place to enter this market is to enter at the close of this place. So if the candle decide to close above, it can use above this line or above the 50 MA. If it closes above the 50 MA, then that will be a very indication that it's set to move instantly. So as you enter the market there, you can put your stop here, you can put your stop here, whichever one. But mind you that if it didn't break this instantly, there might still be a pullback. They must still put the market back before the next move. But anyway, that is for short traders. Now let's talk about what you'll be expecting as an investor. All right, and people that are holding their Bitcoin. Now just believe that everything that's happening here is a correction. Okay, it's a correction of the move we've been seeing so far. So if you go to 4 hours, you find out that this correction is not over yet. All right, it's not over yet. We have a very sharp move down, and the correction, a sharp move down. So what we might be seeing in a bigger scale is Bitcoin making this impulse up, then depends on how it goes, then correct himself again down, okay, to complete this wave. All right, now before going up. Also note that nothing stops the market from going from here to the moon, guys. Nothing stops it from going from here to the moon, because this correction here has already broken this previous low here. It has already broken it. So if it can confuse anybody, and from here the market can move. So to avoid missing out, okay, to avoid missing out, always be careful, because this is a bull market. As I said before, during bull markets, always buy, and during bear market always sell. Because if, for instance, you buy at the bull market and you think it's going down, definitely this has been how many days from now? You see that from here to here, you see it's just 7 days now. Okay, this is 6 days. It has been correcting, and this what's come to us 1 week and the market will bounce back again. So that's why it's always good to always take a buy position during bull markets, guys. So now is a very good position to buy during bull market. So you can buy at this point, whether the market stops here or it goes to the moon. You're already there. You are not left behind. Okay, because the worst thing that will happen to you is when you are left behind during the bull market. All right, so that's just a quick one I want to share with you guys. So cross your fingers, because I think the Bitcoin will be advancing in price, especially this weekend. All right, especially tomorrow or next tomorrow, we see that spike happening. Okay, we see that spike happen. If you look at Ethereum is following suit. Okay, if that's Bitcoin spike now, Ethereum will also spike. Okay, it will also spike. So the same thing follows suit. All right, so just expect the same thing to happen in Ethereum. If you look at Ethereum, the same thing applies here. The same thing applies here. So we might see a spike to this point, then downward or stuff like that. So that's what we're expecting: a spike to this point, then coming down again before riding the next bull run. Okay, so that's what we'll be expecting, guys. Every market follows suit, so don't freak out. Stay profitable, guys, and stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.